Rosemary, do not use the stems. 20 milliliters of olive oil. Mix well with a sprig of rosemary. 1 eggplant sliced into rounds, placed on a baking tray. Spread the olive oil and rosemary evenly over the eggplant. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes on each side. Place 1 onion sliced into rings in a skillet with hot olive oil and fry for a few minutes. Add 2 garlic cloves, thinly sliced. Add 300 grams of tuna. Add 400 grams of diced tomatoes. Add a little water. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add chili flakes. Add smoked paprika. Add dried oregano. Cook for 10 minutes. In a baking dish, create the first layer with the roasted eggplant. Add a layer of tuna. Add fresh parsley. Add a layer of cheddar cheese and repeat these layers until the baking dish is full. Finish with a touch of the rosemary and olive oil sauce. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Delightful. A drizzle of olive oil. 1 diced eggplant. Cook until it develops a beautiful golden brown color. Perfect. Add salt. Add black pepper. Set aside for now. In the same pan, add a drizzle of olive oil. Add spring onions. Fry for a few minutes and set aside. 1 last drizzle of olive oil. Add the garlic. 400 grams of tomatoes, grated. Add the tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add chili flakes. Add salt. Add black pepper. A drizzle of white wine vinegar. Cook for 10 minutes. Add cilantro. Mix with the eggplant. Serve with some lovely homemade bread. Beautiful.